quick way to show you how you can actually retain viewers on your channel as a small or a beginner on YouTube. Okay. Remember that people are attracted to success. People naturally gravitate towards success. So when people come into your channel and your channel is not well placed, the first thing they will look out for is this person, how many views do they usually record? Okay. So when they look out for your views and your views are actually small, it's just the mentality. It's not like your video is not good, but we have this tendency of feeling like once a video does not have a lot of views, then the video is whack, the video is not really good. So I'm going to be teaching you on this particular video how you can position your most popular videos, that is the videos that have given you the most views, how you can get them to be on your home page, so that when people come into your channel, as they click on your channel, what they will just see are those views, those videos that have the most views. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. So we'll go straight into our YouTube. I think it should be studio. So let me just go straight into my studio. I'm going to be using this particular channel, Grow with Peggy, for this demonstration. Okay, so this is Grow with Peggy. We'll go straight into what we call customization. Okay, so when you come to customization, you're going to see profile, you're going to see homepage. You have nothing to do with the profile right now because we're not profiling nothing as at the moment. So click on your homepage. When you click on your homepage, you're going to see homepage, show your channel homepage to highlight and showcase content for your audience. When you look towards the right hand side, you're going to see that mine is checked. So the first thing you want to look out for is this checked on yours? Okay, check if it is checked on yours. So your own may be unchecked like this. So you click on it and then you check it, leave it open. That's what it means by checking it. Okay, then you come on here, you're going to see layout, you're going to see add session. On this add session now, watch out for your own videos to find the most videos which is on your what do you have on your what is it called now, what do you have on your home page. So let me just go back quickly um into my channel so that I show you what I mean. So somebody comes into your channel. This is my channel. Okay. Now I had to rearrange all of those things for the purpose of this video. Okay. That's why you're saying for you. So somebody comes into your channel. The first thing the person says is for you. The next thing is popular videos. Okay. Then the next thing is videos. Okay, random videos. So on this your popular videos, now what it says is that these are the most popular videos on your channel. Okay, so that's how this one is. So I'm supposed to put my popular videos on top. My popular videos are supposed to be on top, but you can see that for me, for my page, my for you page has the most views. You can see 5.1, 2.7, 1.7. My for me page has the most views. So I will decide to leave it this way. Now let me see if I can open yet another channel. Let me see. Can I see? Okay. Let me see what is on Wholesome Kids. This is my parenting channel, guys. This is, are we on Wholesome Kids? If we're on Wholesome Kids, then okay, yeah, we're on Wholesome Kids. So I have to come here, find my channel. So view your channel, okay? Just take notice of this. So this is Wholesome Kids, a different channel from the first one I opened. And this one is giving the popular videos standing first. Remember that the last one I did, which was Grow with Peggy, it is my For You videos that were showcasing first, right? Like this For You, that's what was showcasing first. But here on Wholesome Kids, My popular videos are the ones showcasing first. That's the ones that have the most views are showcasing first. Okay, so now let's go back to our tutorials. I would like to use Grow with Peggy for this tutorial. So let me go all the way out of Wholesome Kids. Okay, this guy is doing well. This guy here is doing well. Let's go all the way to Grow with Peggy and then come to our channel studio. Oh no, come on. Oh no, oh no, oh no, there are so much. Okay, so we go back to home tab, you know, like I said before. Now, all you have to do is, like I said, first of all, make sure this one is checked, okay? Then add session. When you click on add session, you'll find that anyone that is on gray, that means they are already active. So my life now is not active. So I could just decide to put it to be active. This session will appear during live. Okay. Now I could just decide to put it active. Okay. I've done that one. Now I want my popular videos to be on top of my channel. So I'm just going to come to this two dash here. You can see this two dash. Yes. Do a press down and then you move it. So you press down on with your left hand using one of your fingers. You can see I'm picking it, right? Then you move it all the way to the top. Okay, move it all the way to the top. So it's now coming as popular videos number one, and then my for you is number two. You come back here and do what? You publish it. Make sure you publish. If you don't publish, then you would have done something that it's not going to reflect. When you do that, you now go back to your channel. Let me go back to my channel. You now go back to your channel to see if that is exactly what is reflecting. Okay, so it's still showing me the the same pattern that was there. So let's just see if we can refresh the page and then see what comes on. Refresh the page. Voila, you can see it. I just refreshed and then everything came. So my popular videos are now showing first, and then my for you videos are coming next. But in my case, I told you my for you videos are the ones doing the most for me in terms of views. So after this video, I'm actually going to rearrange it. Okay. So this is basically what you can do to position your most viewed videos first, so that when people come into your channel, they will see, your most viewed videos first. That will make them to stick around and watch your videos. Remember, everything we are doing here is from the head. Is a mindset thing. It's not that your videos are not good, but people are just fond of believing that videos that do not have a lot of views are not good. So they will just click out of, a video that is supposed to help them. Maybe they are looking for one information, and that information you have delivered it in that your video. But because they are not seeing a lot of views on your videos, they just miss it. They just, they click away. So you may want to do this, and let's see afterwards what becomes of your progress on here. All we do here is to hold people by the hand. When we do research, we see what is working for us. We come on here and then we just tell you, so that you go do the copy and paste, do exactly what we just show you, and then we take it from there. Let's grow together. Okay, if you've watched up till this moment and you haven't joined us, please do click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification, because I'm very sure you got value out of this video. So I'll see you in the next video.